So this USDCAD analysis for Friday the 8th of March. Now, let's just have a look on prices, where prices may likely go. So they were on the USDCAD. We've seen, well, we had the news related day here. Fairly strong day, high to close range, fairly large. We saw the continuation, brief gap down. Saw continued bullish buy side volatility taking us beyond that 33.54 and 33.83. Traveled up towards a very next significant level of note in around that 34.57. Had a test of 34.57, briefly rejected, retested 34.57, trade beyond it, and currently we're consolidating in around this 34.57 at present. So fairly strong level here on the USDCAD. Now, if we do see a somewhat kind of trend break away from this 34.57, looking for a move back down towards that 33.83. Previous scenario, we found support and resistance. Successful break from which taking that 33.54 here to the downside. That's if we were to see a bit of a counter and breakdown here on the USDCAD, or even profit taking. But if we do see our continued bullish buy side volatility, I suppose we all do a retracement at some point. But if we do see continued bullish buy side volatility, a break and hold up that 34.57, the very next meaningful level of note is, of course, that to move up towards that 35.88 here on the USDCAD. We'll pay close attention towards that 135 and that 35.50, but again, the most meaningful level of note is that 35.88. What we'll do now is we'll look here at the daily charts here, price are developing. So on this daily chart, we mentioned previously, had a bit of an inverted head and shoulders. As you can see, it's played itself out here to the upside, as you'd expect, with a bullish chart pattern. Well, I suppose it's more probable than not in a bullish chart, chart pattern. But so this bullish chart pattern of the inverted head and shoulders, as we can see, we broke above our previous highs in around 33.83. So strong continuation towards at 34.57. Now, if we do see a bit of consolidation break, pullback, and still maintain this fairly strong trend here to the upside, are looking for possible continuation towards that 35.88, successful break from which then looking for our most recent highs in around that 36.60 or so to be tested here on the US. Let's just mark these out. I'm just going to mark this out on the old chart, so we have it for reference in the future. So our highs were 36.64.8. So 36.64.8. Yep. So got those the highs marked out in the future. So if in the coming days or weeks we do see a break of that 35.88, looking for a most recent high to be tested around that 36.64 here on the USDCAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the USDCAD analysis. Thanks for watching.